40%. Areas of fog will continue to develop over South Texas early this morning with visibilities around a couple of miles. Locally dense fog with visibilities of 1/4 mile or less are likely in some locations. The fog will dissipate by mid to late morning. Use caution if traveling, as visibility may change rapidly in a short amount of time. Use low beam headlights and leave extra distance between your vehicle and others on the road. Surface observations indicate that areas of fog have developed over Zapata, Jimhog, Brooks, Starr, and Hidalgo counties this morning. Visibilities will range from 1 to 3 miles in the fog, with some patchy dense fog reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile or less in some areas. Motorists are urged to reduce speed, use low beam headlights, and avoid following other vehicles too closely in the areas of denser fog through the evening and overnight hours. The Laredo Climate Summary for yesterday, January 24th, 2022. Yesterday's high temperature was 56 degrees. The normal high is 70. The record high is 94 degrees, which was set in 2017.